Authorities imposed restrictions, shut educational institutions, blocked internet services and ordered suspension of rail services today to prevent protesters in Kashmir in the wake of killing of LET commander Abu Dujana, his AD and 2 civilians. Meanwhile, a complete shutdown was observed in response to the call of joint resistance leadership across Kashmir Valley. All shops, business establishments were closed in Srinagar and other major towns of the valley. 4 persons including LET Divisional Commander Abu Dujana, his associate Arif Lilhari and 2 civilian protesters were killed on Tuesday in Pulwama district. While Dujana and Lilhari were killed in a gunfight, 2 civilians were killed after forces opened fire on protesters. Around 40 civilians were injured during protests after Dujana and Lilhari were killed. Several of them suffered blood injuries, report said. Restrictions were imposed in areas falling in the jurisdiction of 5 police stations of Khania, Ranawari, Nauhata, Safakadal and Amarganj in Srinagar. Besides, authorities ordered closure of all schools and colleges. Kashmir University and Islamic University of Science and Technology postponed all exams scheduled for today. Mobile internet and rail services were also suspended as a precautionary measures. Kashmir Press Service, Srinagar.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 019424685002468501. Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.